Made in the USA. Today we're going to unbox a 5-quart stainless steel saucer by Made In. Check this out. Stainless steel cleaner. It'll make it look like new again. Make sure you use a non-abrasive sponge. Wash your cookware with warm soapy water. Rinse off the soapy suds. Sprinkle cleaner over the wet surface and sponge scrub just like new. Rinse well and remove the cleaner. Always fully dry to avoid water spots. So let's look at the lid. Wrapped separately. Keep it protected. That's a solid looking lid. Look at those rivets, how nice they look. Boy, I just love Made in the USA quality. So let's look at the pan. Well packed, well prepared. Cardboard to separate the stainless steel lid from hitting the pan. Boy, I can't wait to cook something, anything, just to use this nice pan. It's lightweight. It's not as heavy as the Dutch oven I've been using. It's going to be easy to clean, easy to handle. Here, let's dig into it. It's kind of hard. I've got one hand on the camera, one hand trying to work. Let's see here. We're going to show you a close-up view of this pan. The lid. Look how nice the rivets look, how clean and well seated they are. Look how nice. Look how nice the handle seated to the pan. And that's Made In, folks. Look, if you haven't checked out Made In, madeincookware.com. Check out their website. They got some awesome product. This is my first Made In saucepan and my first Made In product of anything. We're definitely going to use it. See ya.